Okay, this is probably the only multi-tool I like. It's a Gerber clutch. There is two different models of this one. One with a scissor and one with a pliers. This is one with a plier. The only when I say that this is the only multi-tool I like is just because I think multi-tools is poor excuses for real tools. If I need a multi-tool, or if I need a pliers, I want to use a real plier. And if I want a knife, I want to use a real knife. And all the other different kind of tools on multi-tools are just rubbish in comparison to real tools. So that is why I don't like to carry a heavy multi-tool around with me every day, instead of have a pretty good toolbox in my car or at home. So, but this one is pretty small. You can have it in have it on your keychain or so. So okay, that's okay. I can get away with that. But not. I don't like big multi-tools. I'm not gonna review this. It have a lot of other reviews on this one on YouTube. So I just wanted to give you my view on multi-tools and carry multi-tools. Oh, I live in Sweden, so we can't have a knife. So that is an excuse for not carrying a multi-tool too, because we are not allowed. Stupid rule, but so it is. Yep, clutch, Gerber clutch, the only multi-tool I like. Okay.